You can post any clips from TVU Search directly to your social media accounts for faster distribution around the world. Plus, you can add your branding to the post with a watermark or pre-roll and post-roll video. And you can save those settings as templates that makes posting even faster. Start by clicking on the user icon in the top right of the TVU Search window, then click Settings. You might already have some social media accounts connected to your search account, and those will show up in this list. If you need to add a Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok account, click on the Add button and select the type of account you are connecting. You will need to log in to authorize your social media account and allow TVU Search to post to it. When you are done, click the All Done button to finish this step. Now that your account is connected, you can start posting your clips. You just need to go to your marked list, select a clip you've already made, and click Share. In the Share window, give a title for your social media post, and click the plus sign under Sharing Platforms to select which sites you want to post it to. You can change the resolution of the video here using the drop-down menu. If you want to run a quick branding video before or after your TVU Search clip, click on the Pre-Post Roll tab and activate the pre- or post-roll video using the sliders. Click on the plus sign to select the video file or upload one. If you want to overlay your watermark over the clip, click on the Watermark tab and activate the slider. Then select or upload a graphics file and choose which corner you would like the watermark to appear. To reuse a combination of pre-roll, post-roll, watermark, and social media settings, you can click Save as Template, so you have these options auto-populate for future posts, which speeds up this process even more. And you can save multiple templates under different file names for different styles of posts. If you want to use a template, you can click on the Sharing Templates link to open up a drop-down menu in the Share window. Just select the template you want to apply from the list, and your template settings will be applied to the new post. When you're happy with your content, just click Share to post it to your selected accounts. Your post will be processed in the background, and when it is complete, you will get a notification in the top right of the TVU Search window.